If you're thinking of getting these wind muff stickers for cameras, then this is my honest opinion and review. I've had these for over a year and a half, and I've used them on multiple different devices and action cameras, which I'm going to show you in this video. There's a few things I love about these and a couple of things to bear in mind. So the first thing is that I've got an example here. I use these on my DJI action camera, and as you can see, I've attached these to where the microphones are. So there's several I've put on the bottom and then a couple on the top as well. And so what happens is you get, this is how they look. Let me just try and zoom in on this. So it has like a little felt pad on the bottom, and then the rest is the wind muff itself. And then it comes with these little kind of like double-sided sticky things. And the idea is you put the microphone in the middle so that the microphone is not covered, and it sticks to the fluffy pad thing. Now, some things to bear in mind. Firstly, what I love about these is that if you have action cameras with exposed microphones, in the wind, they will distort. But these completely solve that problem. So when I film outside, even in wind with my action camera, no wind noise gets through these, which is really impressive and amazing. And it means I can just film in pretty much any weather conditions. Something to bear in mind is that if you have an action camera, most of them these days have several microphones. So you will actually need to use, for example, here, I think I used about 7 or 8 of these muffs all stuck in one line to effectively cover the microphone. Like, you're not just going to stick one of these on and that will be enough. But, that's not so bad because it comes in packs of 10. So you have more than enough to do, 1 or 2 cameras. And then the sticky things, I find these can be a little bit fiddly, but what I do is I use a small pair of tweezers to kind of like take the sticky backing off them. And when I do that, it's very easy, it works great. So if you're just looking for a wind muff to stop wind noise in your camera, then I highly recommend these. These have been a game changer for me.